In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get audit trails in DocuSign using the easiest method outlined in our 2025 guide. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the DocuSign website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the DocuSign URL, or simply click the link provided in the video description to go directly to the homepage. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. If you're new to DocuSign, you might want to explore a bit to familiarize yourself, but our focus here is solely on obtaining audit trails, so let's keep moving forward. Now that you're on the DocuSign homepage, the next step is to locate the file for which you want to audit the trails. Click on the Documents tab, usually found at the top of the page. This is where all your signed, pending, and draft documents reside. Browse through your list and identify the specific file you wish to investigate. It's helpful to remember the document title or use the search function for quicker access. After you've found the relevant document, click on it to open its detailed view. Here you'll see various options related to the document. Direct your attention to the top of this page where a series of tabs are displayed. Look for the More option, which typically houses additional features and information about the document. Click on the More tab, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select History. This section is a treasure trove of information about your document's journey. It includes a comprehensive timeline of actions taken on the document, providing insights into when it was viewed, signed, and by whom. Once you're in the History section, you'll come across a detailed table or list showcasing every activity associated with the document. Pay close attention here as it lists vital data such as timestamps, IP addresses, and the actions taken by each user. This is the audit trail, showcasing the chronological journey of your document, offering transparency and an extra layer of security for your e-signature process. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the audit trails for your document in DocuSign. Having a clear view of your document's history can be incredibly beneficial, whether for compliance, security audits, or simply keeping tabs on the flow of important agreements within your workflows. Remember, these audit trails are a key feature that enhances the accountability and integrity of the documents you manage through DocuSign. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been useful in demystifying the process of accessing audit trails in DocuSign. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides on navigating your digital world efficiently. Until next time, take care and happy